Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Skytech Prism 4 gaming desktop, a high-end rig built for serious performance. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, delivering exceptional speed for gaming, streaming, and heavy multitasking. Whether you're running demanding titles or working on creative projects, it handles everything smoothly without slowdowns. Graphics are powered by the RTX 5080 with massive GDDR7 memory, giving you stunning visuals, real-time ray tracing, and ultra-smooth frame rates even at 4K. Modern AAA games run at high settings with impressive detail and consistent performance. You also get 64 GB of fast DDR5 RAM and a 4 TB NVMe SSD, so boot times are quick, load screens are minimal, and file transfers feel almost instant. Cooling is handled by a 360mm liquid AIO setup with ARGB fans, keeping temperatures under control while adding a bold visual touch to the case. Overall, the Skytech Prism 4 delivers elite-level gaming power, fast storage, and eye-catching design in one premium package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.